तो गाइस आगे देखते हैं हाई कॉस्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. The high cost of distribution for these two classes of packaged foods is a reflection in part of the exercised in getting them to the consumer in a fresh condition, and in part of the competition selling and sales promotion expressed incurs in their distribution cost is the sum total of all those expenses which are incurred by the producer of a product in order to make possible the delivery of the product from its location to the location of the end customer. High advertising and promotion cost. Marketing is expensive for one simple reason, because it's at the one of making money for all business. This way seem conti- continue to some, but marketing is not just an explain. It is what derives revenue for all of the most successful business in the simplest terms. BBS companies should open between 2 and 5% of their revenue and marketing. For BSC companies, the proportion is offer higher between 5 and 10%. Advertising is one way communication whose purpose is to inform potential customers about products and service and how to obtain them. Promotion involves disseminating information about product line, land, brand or company. It is one of the four key aspects of the marketing mix. Advertising is emotional in nature, and the objective is to create ad, an enduring brand image. Perfumes, makeup, and jewelry used imaginative advertising to create to needed to sell these products. Descriptive practice. The descriptive approach focuses on the need for organization to examine the real life realization of their strategies. According to this approach, it is important to understand how the strategy is put into practice by real companies in the real world of business. Descriptive research and typically involves measuring a variable on set of variably, variables as they exist naturally. The description strategy is not in, concerned with relationships between variables, but rather with the descriptive of individual variables. Again, a descriptive approach. A language takes the view that language is a phenomenon that can be studied scientifically. Such as approach takes as its evidence all aspects of language use, but given the cost amount of data, most linguists concentrate on particular varieties of a language. High pressure selling people. High pressure selling is defined as salespersons using psychological pressure on the customer by appealing to their fear, greed, and pride to sell a given product or service. The digital media has given those sellers the ability to supply that pressure across multiple channels at all at all hours of the day. High pressure selling is when salespersons use psychological pressure on the customer by appealing to their fear, fair greed and provide to all a given product or service. As the name suggests, high pressure selling phrase means creating enough pressure to that it can generate huge sale at a rapid rate.